Welcome to modification number 6 of the Traxxas TRX4M. In the previous video we installed metal steering parts on the front wheels that made it a bit heavier on that front side. In this video we are going to balance the weight again a bit by installing wheel weights on the rear wheels. I got these again from AliExpress at I think €5. And well, it did not go really straightforward because they were a bit too large for my metal wheels. So what I did, as you can see here, I had to make them a little bit smaller. They originally are very nicely black powder coated, and this is the other side of the unit, and we can clearly see that I had a bit of work on it. And to do that I had to make a jig. I had a small piece of plastic tube on which I made a thread to get this nut on, and there we could install that wheel weight. And then on a lathe on the hobby club I was able to get this done, to make it a little bit smaller diameter. If you don't have an equipment like this, well, you could still use a grinding machine or a file. This is how it fits in the original plastic wheel. Even on the original size it would have fitted nicely. But it was too big for my metal wheel. But right now with the diameter a little bit less, it fits snugly into this metal wheel and all is fine. Well, with all that trouble out of the way, installation is super simple. We have this shape here on the inside that fits on the shape of the plastic of the axle. So after you take off the wheel and take off the hex nut, you can just push it on there. It may be a little bit troublesome. It's a very tight fit, but it should be able to push it on. And then, yeah, then of course we can simply take the two screws and put those little screws in to take care that it does not move anymore. And there they are, the two tiny screws that came with the unit. And then, yeah, simply replace the hex nut that holds the wheel. In my case I also place the orange wheel holder. And yeah, then replace the wheel, and then this is how it looks from the back side of the wheel. There is just a little extra weight, that is all that it does. And the wheel, the weight is stationary and the wheel rotates around it. That was the reason why I had to make it smaller diameter, because I had a lot of friction there. And now the wheel is rotating very smooth and very nice. And what we can also see already is that I mounted some metal differential covers, and that will be the subject of the next video. Maybe see you back there, and in the meantime have fun.